Hello, Joey here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2010 Chevy Camaro SS that we have for sale. In fact, we actually acquired this from its original owner. We purchased it off the street. The customer was a new Infiniti customer of ours. He bought a brand new QX80 from us about 3 years ago. We recently sent out a letter to our customers on our mailing list saying that if you have a pre-owned car you're looking to sell, the used car market is very hot right now, we'd be interested in buying it. He contacted us about this Camaro. He's a person who does really well for himself. He has a garage full of hot rods and muscle cars and other toys. And this one just wasn't getting used enough. It's a 2010 with only 63,759 miles, pretty low miles. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. He would rather have the cash than this car because he had some other toys, so we happily took it off his hands. And now it's available for sale. One owner, clean Carfax, low miles. I think this is probably one of the nicer 2010 Camaro SS's for sale, if not in Washington, maybe on the West Coast. Most importantly, it has this great 6-speed manual gearbox. I'm a huge manual transmission enthusiast. I've owned many manual transmission cars in my life. I own one today. And there's nothing like that human-machine connection you have of a gearbox and clutch. This is a beautiful gearbox. I think it's probably the same one they use in the Corvette. And the engine, the LS V8, is definitely one that we also find in the Corvette. Back in 2010, it still made 426 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Very fast. I think 0 to 60 in a little over 5 seconds. I don't think the performance on this one's not too far off from a 2019 and 2020 Camaro SS, so it's a lot of bang for your buck. Local one-owner clean Carfax, low miles. Very nicely equipped with features. This is a 2SS, so it has leather interior, heated seats, Bose sound system. It has the OnStar telematics on it. Sorry, not Bose sound system, it's a Boston sound system. Forgive me for that error. Also has the RS package, sunroof, HID headlamps. Original MSRP was $36,895. Heated seats, power driver's seat. Really is a nice condition. Beautiful color combination, black on black. The leather's in really nice shape as well. Really is a nice looking design. You know, back in 2010, this is a pretty fresh design from GM, so it doesn't look dated by 2020 standards. Probably to an untrained eye, many people would think you have a newer Camaro than 2010. Decent amount of trunk space considering the size of the vehicle, and there's nothing like that LS V8 music. I'll rev the engine a little bit just so you can hear how wonderful it sounds. Sounds nice. Sounds even nicer when you're driving yourself, rolling through the gears with the windows down. There's lots of power from this V8. A lot of cars these days have forced induction, turbocharging, supercharging, but you know what they say, there's no substitute for cubic inches, and there's just almost instant power when you have it in the right gear. You just step on that throttle, this thing pushes you back in the seat. It really is an amazing rush of acceleration you get from this. I drive a lot of fast cars, working in pre-owned luxury and Infiniti new cars. We have a lot of fast Infinitis and we have a lot of high performance pre-owned vehicles. So, but for me, this thing puts a big grin on my face when I drive it and get it to accelerate quickly. It is a lot of fun, and it's a lot of performance for your dollar, I think. Amazing engines. As you know, LS V8s have a legendary reputation for performance and reliability, and it really is a beautiful looking automobile. I've always been a big fan of the Camaros, but this generation of the Camaro was really the first one that could not just go fast in a straight line, but also had a great driving dynamics as far as handling goes. They developed this car on a racetrack. and they want it to not just go fast, but also to be a sports car that can handle too. Some of the older Camaros were obviously great in going fast in a straight line, but as far as performance driving, going around corners, it wasn't very confidence inspiring. But this generation of the Camaro is a complete opposite. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer, we have a very big pre-owned business. We regularly sell vehicles out of state on a monthly basis. We can get this thing shipped pretty much anywhere in the US, and we can help get the vehicle licensed and registered in your home state. And generally you're going to just pay sales tax if applicable where you live, not in Washington state. And please contact us for more details. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.